The construction engineering formwork is used to support the weight and lateral pressure of the concrete mixture with plastic flow properties so that it can be solidified and formed according to the design requirements. Formwork making, installation and demolition is an important process in concrete construction. It not only affects the appearance quality of concrete and restricts the construction speed of concrete, but also has a great influence on the cost of concrete engineering. According to statistics, in the construction of large and medium-sized construction projects, the cost of formwork generally accounts for 8到15% of the total cost of concrete and even reaches more than 20% in some complex individual projects and small projects. Therefore, choosing the appropriate formwork form, formwork structure and construction method is an important factor to ensure the quality of concrete and construction safety, speed up construction efficiency and reduce project costs.